Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. About 50 million years, whales had legs and lived on both land and water. Stripes on the zebras are for repelling insects. In Germany, 15 bombs are still found daily which were used in World War II. Egypt is not the country with most pyramids. A 7-year-old Indian boy complaining of jaw pain was treated in a local hospital and found to have 526 teeth. If a donkey and a zebra have a baby, it is called a zonkey. Australia is wider than the moon. Blue whales eat 500,000 calories in one mouthful. The smallest country in the world takes up 2 square miles, Vatican City. Your brain uses 10 watts of energy to think and does not feel pain. One of the ingredients needed to make dynamite is peanuts. 20% of all the oxygen you breathe is used by your own brain. Your fingernails grow faster when you are cold. Giant pandas eat approximately 28 pounds of bamboo a day. A tsunami can travel as fast as a jet plane. The shortest war in history lasted for only 38 minutes. The Burj Khalifa is so tall you can see 2 sunsets from it in one day. Russia has more surface area than Pluto. Americans send 145 million Valentine's Day cards each year. Armadillos have shells so hard they can deflect a bullet. Antarctica is the world's largest desert. There is a spacecraft graveyard in South Pacific Ocean. The British Queen's handbag is a body language communication device. The first heart-shaped box of chocolates was introduced in 1861. 25% of all mammal species on Earth are bats. Peanuts, walnuts, almonds, cashews and pistachios are in nuts. In the 1990s, half of the World Series were made for AOL sign-up discs. Natural bananas contain seeds inside of them. Scientists genetically modified goats to spin spider silk from the uders. OMG was first used in writing in 1917. Dogs can learn up to 250 words and gestures. The world's largest singular snowflake was 15 inches wide. Jellyfish are 95% water. Roughly half a human body is red blood cells. In 1783, a volcanic eruption killed 80% of the Earth's shape. There is a smoke alarm for the deaf. In Bosnia, Serbia and Montenegro, you can legally vote at 16. In England, pigeon poop is property of the crown. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. A shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. Cat urine glows under a black light. A crocodile can't stick out its tongue. Bowler hats were originally invented as safety hats. The giant squid sees the world with eyes the size of the saucer balls. The opposite sides of a die will always add up to 7. Spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times. When you are ignored by a person whose attention means the most to you, the reaction in your brain will be similar to physical pain. Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet helped pay the nursing home fees for the last Titanic survivor. Thanks for watching.